Right, let's talk fried rice. Not just any fried rice, mind you, but the Japanese kind, yakimeshi. It's funny how this dish, with its roots firmly planted in Chinese cuisine, traveled across the sea and found a whole new life in Japan. Imagine this. It's the early 1900s, and Chinese immigrants are bringing their culinary traditions to the land of the rising sun. Among them is the simple yet satisfying art of stir-frying leftover rice with whatever's on hand. The Japanese, being the innovative bunch they are, took this concept and ran with it, adding their own unique flair. Out went the usual long-grain rice, replaced with the stickier short-grain variety that Japan is known for. And just like that, yakimeshi was born, a testament to the beautiful fusion of cultures and the ingenious use of leftovers. Now, what makes Japanese fried rice so special? It's all about simplicity and versatility. The beauty of this dish lies in its ability to transform yesterday's leftovers into a brand new culinary adventure. At its heart is the rice, that wonderful short-grain variety that clumps together so perfectly. It's the blank canvas upon which you'll paint a masterpiece of flavor. Next up, we've got our protein. Leftover chicken, diced small, perfect. A few slices of char siu pork, even better. Don't forget those prawns you've got tucked away, they'll add a lovely sweetness to the mix. And then there are the vegetables. Think colorful, think crunchy. Diced carrots, peas, spring onions, and a handful of shredded cabbage all add texture and vibrancy to the party. Right then, let's get down to business. Get your wok nice and hot. You want it smoking before anything goes in. A splash of oil, then in goes the protein. Give it a good toss until it's golden brown and slightly crispy. Now for the vegetables. Chuck them in and stir fry until they're just tender but still retain their crunch. You don't want a soggy mess, do you? Push everything to the sides of the wok, creating a well in the center. Crack in your eggs and scramble them until they're just set. Now it's time for the rice. Add it to the wok and break it up with your spatula. Here's the secret: a good glug of soy sauce, a pinch of salt, and a dash of white pepper. Toss everything together until it's all coated in that beautiful, savory sauce. And there you have it, a steaming plate of Japanese fried rice ready to be devoured. But don't stop there. This is just the beginning of your culinary adventure. Feeling adventurous? Add a dollop of spicy kimchi or a sprinkle of furikake for extra flavor. Serve it alongside some juicy gyoza or a fiery prawn chili. The possibilities are endless. So go on, raid your fridge, get creative, and whip up your own masterpiece. Thanks for joining me on this delicious journey. Happy cooking.